Okay, let's go to pipeline. Create a new lead. For an example, you can add in student's name again, gender, phone number, email, parent's name. Also, fill up the inquiry details, course interested, and also the source and center and who is the lead assigned to. If you have already contacted the student, you can click through the new inquiry and move student to contacted. And if student has already booked a trial, click trial book and the student will go into trial book. And if student has already attended the trial, it will move to trial attended. And if they are still negotiating, you can move it to negotiating. You also have the option of notes. You can write down any notes that you need to send it to the student later on, or keep a reminder for yourself. Once done, you can check the activity on the date, time, and also day.